They've shown us the true heart of scouting, courage, unity, and a love for adventure.
As we gather here today, surrounded by nature's embrace, we're not just closing a camping activity. We're celebrating the growth of every scout who dared to step out, try something new, and shine. This backyard became our classroom, and these scouts our brightest stars.
So let's wrap up this adventure in true scouting style, with spirit, pride, and a little bit of fun. Here we go!
We'll kick things off with a community singing, a chance to bring us all together. So scouts, scouters, and our visitors to stand properly and join in. So kindly, sing together with the scouter individual. Pag-apurkan pa tayo dito ha.
Thank you.